everyone, you with Sue's Cooking and Outdoors. I am taking a walk this morning in my bush. I like to see the damage the snow did to the trees with the first snowstorm. So you come along and you join me during my walk. You can see that the sun is under the clouds. Over there you have bent trees. I'm a bit closer because a GoPro you do not have a zoom. You see the trees are bent. I'll be entering into there in a minute. Just showing you all the trees that got bent during our first storm in December. Okay, at least we can see the path clearly. When we came in the last time, we couldn't even see clearly the pathway. It was trees were all bent down. I do like the view, the snow on the spruce trees. And there you got some that are bent, and they're young trees also. There will be a cleanup to do next fall, that's for sure. I am now outside of the bush. I was hoping to find some animal activity, but I don't see anything. Not even a trace. So I'd like to thank you all for watching my video. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.